Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got this Lexus IS 350 that's going to be wrapped in the Avery Gloss White Pearl. This gloss white pearl is a little bit different than installing a gloss white, for example, because this gloss white pearl is directional film. What does that mean? That basically means if, let's say, the arrows are pointing down, you got to make sure you wrap the whole car with the arrows pointing down. If you were to wrap the fender and the arrows are pointing up, and let's say the passenger side door here, the arrows are pointing down, it's not going to transition pretty well. So in other words, the fender is going to look darker than the passenger side door. Got two fenders done, the hood, both doors, the side mirror, the door handle, and it's coming out pretty good. There you guys have it, all complete. So we got the gloss white pearl installed on this Lexus IS 350. This is a 2021 Lexus. It looks really nice. Let's go over real quick. I'm gonna show you how I got to pull off this bumper. First things first, you're gonna have to take off the cover that's underneath the hood, which is then gonna expose the bolts to get to the bumper. There's 1, 2, 3, and then you'll get to pop the bumper off just a little bit. You don't need to take it off, because essentially what you need to do is get as much vinyl as you can get inside here. I don't really see why you should two-piece this area with like knifeless tape. Over the time it's gonna build up dirt and you're gonna see the outline in black, so you don't really want that. You want to get this bumper done in one piece. Look at this, amazing. I'm honestly considering doing this to my Corvette C806 that I got. Once again, this film is directional, so you got to make sure that whenever you're installing, the vinyl is flowing the same direction. If you guys are gonna go with the 3M gloss pearlescent white, that one's even worse. Like, you really got to make sure that that vinyl flows. This one is a little bit more forgiving in a way. It's also on the thinner side. I feel like comparing it to the 3M is a little bit more thicker, but again, to each their own. This vinyl in particular, you got to make sure it flows the same way. So the back side says Avery. You're gonna make sure that Avery is going all around the same way. All I did was I just drew these arrows, so kind of reminding me that this is the flow that I gotta go with and I gotta maintain. Therefore, this is the results that I achieved. Now on the back side, look at this, you guys. This is crazy. This color goes so hard. It's just plain, but it has that really nice pearlescent effect to it, where it just beams off the sun really nicely. Who knows, maybe I'm gonna do this to my C8 Corvette. So first things first, I know many of you guys don't like removing. There's ways of going around, but I would highly recommend, especially if the base color is metallic gray, I believe, and you're doing white, because white, the cuts got to be precise, because you will see them. And if the car is, let's say, white, then maybe, yeah, go ahead, don't remove. But in this case, this car is a metallic gray, so remove this middle bar, light bar, and then this spoiler is on 210s, and then the rest is on clips. Just pry it off very carefully. Here's how far I went on the bumper to prevent the base color from showing through the gap. So I went this far, and then I'm gonna show you guys right here on the rear driver's side door, so you guys can see how far I went, as well as the side skirt. So I went this far, I went all the way in there, and then on the side skirt right here, I went all the way in there. Many places will use this door gap to their advantage, and they'll cut alongside it, follow into the front doors, and then they'll fold in the extra wrap. But I wasn't really about that lifestyle. I want to make sure that this customer's happy, so I went all the way in there. And look at the rear quarter panel, all the way in there, very nicely, so when you close the door, you don't see the base color whatsoever. And that'll be it for this video. Definitely enjoyed working on this car, especially this color. I'm definitely going to consider working with this color once again, but it'll be for my personal car, the C8 Corvette Z06. But that'll be it for this video. Subscribe, comment, peace out.